Well, what they've asked me to do is just comment on crop conditions this year. This year has been such an easy year that my presentation could easily be done in 30 seconds and cover all the geographic area. We just have good crop. This is as good as I've seen it. Yeah, last year was good. This year appears to be better. The weather's been phenomenal. The timing of the rains, planting in general was done on a timely basis. We've had no major issues in terms of drought or flooding. I mean, there's always going to be spots. It's a big country. Disease issues have been negligible and really not impacting anything. Unless we have an early frost or some unusual weather at the very end, it will be big. We can offer product on a nationwide scale. We contract soybeans in 13 different states. We work with 22 different cleaning facilities, and our company business model is to be as close to the customers as we can possibly be, because transportation in this industry is the killer. It's you're going to have Chicago Board of Trade prices, you're going to have premium prices, but in the end, transportation can be the differentiator. And if we can get as close to our customers or a rail yard as possible for the overseas customers, that's our competitive advantage. Well, the things, what we provide that some of our competitors can't buy, that are in fixed locations that have their own cleaning facilities in a location, is that we can offer product from all over the country. If you have crop bug problems in one part of the country and the product is inferior, we have other areas that we can get product from. If you have weather-related issues, we have other areas that we can get our product from. So that would be the advantage. We've got mobility. Well, I think probably the thing that we hear most of is quality. It's that would say it all. I think is the quality of our product, and we have good product. Typically, we can be offered on a timely basis. Trends in soybeans, I don't see anything but positive. Just you've got a population that's growing dramatically. It's a good source of protein. It's inexpensive. So I see us in a really terrific place. Well, what we're finding in terms of soybean growth is that there are parts of the country, especially in the U.S., and not so much maybe in other parts of the world, but that have never really looked at soy as a food source. For years, and up until now 70 or 80 years ago, it was feed. Well, we're starting to see more and more soy show up in our food products, and to expand on that a little bit more, we're seeing a huge increase in non-GMO business demand from the customers. That translates back into organics, and then that mid-range, that transitional period between conventional and organic, which up until now has not really had a premium of any kind. We're seeing manufacturers, some big manufacturers, step up to the plate and say, we want to support the organic industry. And we know that we have to support the transitional industry. To do that, we are willing to pay a higher price for the transitional beans than has been paid in the past, just to get more organic in the future.